This is part 2 of Animal Company. Bro, no, don't. No. What's that blue? Whoa, what are you doing over there?
I got a super gun.
Super gun. Wait, can I see a super gun? I don't see the super gun. Wait, how did you get that?
I grabbed it from the super area.
How can you do that?
But
Lock.
I just grabbed it.
Connect to unlock. Oh, there's a gun.
I grabbed it. Whoa. Whoa.
Do not.
No. Flip. Ow. What's the next thing? A puncher. No.
Oh, look at
I
that.
want my gun. My gun. No. My gun. Don't fall into the lava.
Bro, I want this.
Where's my gun? My gun's falling. No.
What the? Where are you? No! Lydia, where are you?
I'm back. I'm coming, Harvey.
No, you would never come.
I'm coming, Harvey.
Bro,
The hot lava's burning.
wait.
my gun.
Wait. Come here. Come over here. We're gonna go somewhere else.
My gun. I'm coming, Harvey. With my gun.
Bro, can you even bring
My
a super gun?
What?
Can you even bring a super gun?
I think so.
But where do we go?
Oh, there's a screwdriver.
Lil, what do we got? That's the exit, so I think we go up here. Why is it low gravity over here?
Exit. It's exit. Oh,
Yeah,
whoa.
let's go.
I'm back. I got my super gun.
Bro, that's no fair.
You should have gotten your super gun.
Bro, I got it. I don't know how to bought one.
The code that I found was.
I'm going to go to them. Guys, this is part 2. Wait, we already done pit. So this is the end of part 2 of Animal Company. So, yeah, despicable me.
I'm going poop. Goodbye.
Bro!
No.